In this lecture, we will see characteristics of cloud computing. Means what cloud computing की विशेषताएं क्या है? So first one characteristics is on-demand self-service. So cloud computing service does not require any human administrator. So if human administrator is not available, this means user themselves, means which person use the service of cloud computing, they can or that person are able to provision, that person are able to monitor and manage computing resource when as per needed. Means there are no any third person which are involved in the case of management, in the case of monitoring, in the case of provision, in the case of cloud computing. Second one is a broad network access. So the computing service are generally provided over standard network and heterogeneous devices. Means which are different types of devices. Heterogeneous means a different type. Next one is rapid elasticity. Means we can add or we can delete, means we can add more services or we can decrease our services in the case of cloud computing. Means the computing services could have IT resource that are able to scale out, means increase, and in quickly and on as needed basis. Whenever the user requires services, it is provided to him and it is scaled out as soon as its requirement gets solved. Next one is a resource pooling. Means we can pool the resource which are available at any site. So IT resource like as a network, server, storage, applications in and any services present are shared across multiple applications and occupant in an uncommitted manner. So multiple clients are provided service from a same physical resource. Next one is a measured service. So the resource utilizations is tracked for each applications and occupation. It will provide both the user and the resource provider with an account of what has been used. This is done for various reasons like as a monitoring, billing and effective use of resource. So another characteristics are like resource availability, means the resource are available for the each client. Means if we are using multi-tenant model, then each user can access the services provided by the cloud computing. On demand self service. So ऑन डिमांड सेल्फ सर्विस में यूजर अपनी आवश्यकता के अनुसार यूजर अपनी आवश्यकता के अनुसार कंप्यूटिंग रिसोर्स का उपयोग या यूज कर सकता है. व्हाट आर द रिसोर्स? कोई भी रिसोर्स लाइक एज अ नेटवर्क है, सर्वर है, वर्चुअल मशीन्स है, स्टोरेज है, डेटाबेसेस है, एनीथिंग, देन यूजर अपनी आवश्यकता के अनुसार उसका यूज कर सकता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑन डिमांड सेल्फ सर्विस. इजी मेंटेनेंस एंड लो डाउन टाइम. मीन्स जो भी रिसोर्स है लाइक एज अ नेटवर्क, सर्वर, स्टोरेज, एनीथिंग, उनका मेंटेनेंस बहुत ही कम होता है और उनके रख रखाव में हमें ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. And next one is pay as you go. दिस वन इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, लाइक ऐसा कि हमें जितना यूज करना है हम उतने का ही पेमेंट करें, फालतू हम ज़्यादा पेमेंट नहीं करें, जितना हमने यूज किया है बस उतने का ही पेमेंट करना है. दिस वन इज नोन एज द पे एज यू गो. Next, we can see two terms. What is the cloud elasticity and cloud scalability? So, देखने में दोनों same है, but there is a minor difference. That is, in case of cloud elasticity, it is the ability to grow or sink infrastructure resource dynamically as needed to adapt to workload changes in an automatic manner, maximizing the use of resource. But in the case of cloud scalability, it includes the ability to increase workload size within existing infrastructure. Means in case of scalability, we only increase the workload size. But in the case of cloud elasticity, we can increase, means we can grow or we can shrink the infrastructure according to the requirement. But in case of scalability, we only increase the workload size within the existing infrastructure and without impacting the performance. So these two are the key difference. These are the key difference between the cloud elasticity and cloud scalability.